sorry, para maganda. Yan, okay.
2 minutes after this.
Girl na girl! Apa lang yan?
So guys,
if you come back to me, I guarantee that I never let you go. Can we go back to the day our love was low? Can you tell me how a perfect love goes wrong?
I don't know how red I am right now. You're in heaven! You guys are so mean. You're blushing! I know! It's so hot! Wait, tumingin ka naman.
Yun, ah.
Tumingin ka.
it's your fault.
I'm innocent. I did not do anything.